This thing, don't underestimate how sick and fun and cool it is. You can make hi-hats for days, so easy, so original, so your own, so fun. Speaking of MicroTonic, let's go there. As you know, we're using MicroTonic for the hi-hats, which is super powerful. And just give you a quick impression of a couple of the cool things that I find you can do with sound design, but then we're gonna get into Patternarium for a sec. So this is playing this little up rhythm, obviously, and it's very cool how it's done. Nice for a little percussion. Great for toms. This is super nice. You can keep the oscillator mono and then make the noise stereo, and it's very clean how it does it. So to get this toms that are a little bit noisy also, but have a nice tone to them, this tool is great. And I usually just mute everything and just use one instance. And I pulled this off of Patternarium already. I just mute everything. There's a nice little shortcut where if you hold Command and click mute, you don't have to go through and mute all of them individually. You hit Command and then just solo the one sound that you want to dial into. This is super powerful also. It's like a multi-mode filter. Wow, that sounds nice. So we're causing it to self-resonate. So this is super, super great for that kind of stuff. For toms, percussions and stuff, it's really cool. I mean, you can chain patterns and do a million things, but I want to show you something that's a little bit different. So I'm just going to clone this unit. Let's go to Patternarium and let's grab a hi-hat so that I can show you that. So Patternarium, which I think I mentioned very briefly in one of the calls, is part of Sonic Charge. And you can pre-listen to patterns that are being generated by a mixture of AI and I think the feedback people are giving it. So let's have a listen. The sounds are so cool. So I mean, this isn't really my music or anything, like my style or whatever, but I could go here now and I could go paste preset and pull that entire pattern and all the sounds into this. So of course it's faster because my track has a higher BPM, but any of those sounds that I like, I can pull them in. So what I want to do is look for that hi-hat, because what I want to show you is how incredible the swing is on this. Let's see if we can find the hi-hats. Okay, let's take this hi-hat and I'm going to make this into a 16th pattern so we can hear the swings better. I'm going to put a couple of accents in here to make this a bit more alive. So let's hear this now in the context with the track. So easy to get things that sound super cool. Let's try it with stereo. If you're wondering, by the way, I would bet 99% all of Stephan Bodzin's hi-hats are made with this thing. That's why it's reminiscent immediately of the kind of stuff that you hear on his sets a lot. And it's getting this little bit of groove due to the accents. Let's move this one a bit back. Okay, and now what I want to show you is listen to how good the swing is on this thing. So from all the software swings that I know of pretty much so far, this is the best actually. Because very often software swings, they just sound robotic, they don't sound nice. I don't know why it's so hard, because it's kind of a mathematical curve that you adding delay to every even 16th note. So in essence, we're moving this note and this note late across all of them. And yeah, as soon as we get to a certain point, it starts to feel very weird and a bit housey, but it just works so great in the context of electronic music. And it really does do a lot to make your track kind of feel more organic, more alive, more easier to dance to is probably the best word. So that feels good. Let me remove it. It's just much more boring, robotic. This is also super powerful. Let me show you that quickly also. Make hi-hats for days so easy, so original, so your own, so fun. So yeah, like this thing, don't underestimate how sick and fun and cool it is. You can actually even skin it, like you can create new skins for it, which I tried to do because it looks fun, but I didn't manage, so I left it. And then the other thing, which is very cool, is once you've made something you like, where it says MIDI, you can drag. No, we do not want to insert the time and stuff because that's going to change our arrangement. So as you can see, look at those nice swung little delays. Now I can take this here off of playing with the DAW and use the MIDI. So super nice to have this MIDI drag pull-in function. Yeah, you can MIDI map stuff and whatnot here, of course, the zoom and all that, but it's just for it's worth its price even just for hi-hats. And let's listen to that quick tom we did before. Remove this and put it back to its internal mode.